Good morning, everyone. Myself Yashika Gupta. My student ID is 2510 Today I will be presenting my data science task, which involved analyzing YouTube videos and comments related to COVID 19 from selected news channels such as Fox News, BBC News, CNN, and MSNBC. The main goal of the task was to clean and prepare the data, perform sentiment analysis, explore relationship between videos and comments sentiment, and visualize trends over time to draw meaningful insights. Firstly, we have derived the comment CSV and video CSV from the collect IPYNB file provided to us. After loading the videos and comment CSV, the first step was to clean the data. Here you can see that I applied lemmatization to both videos title and comment text using NLTK. See, lemmatizing reduces word to their base form. For example, running will be converted to run, working will be converted to work, which helps in standardizing the text, improving sentiment analysis and other textual analysis. After this step, these all cleaning was done prior in the sheet. I have done this step where I have converted video duration to seconds. Then after that, both the videos and comments were merged. Then by using isnl, I have checked if any cell has the empty data or not, where I have found that comment author and parent comment id have some data left over. So then I have filled it with comment author with unknown and parent comment id with top level, and after again checking for any missing values, all have been none, so which means that my cleaning has been done. And these also have been given prior only. After completing the cleaning and preparing part, now next is the analyzing the video and comments, and I have chosen the question number second, which says that use regression analysis with visualization to test the following hypothesis. It includes of three parts. Firstly, I've imported all the required modules, then the video and comment CSVs, and then merged them. The aim of this question was to see if positive video title receive positive comments. Here I have made three side by side plots. First includes of title sentiment versus comment sentiments, second likes versus comment, and third duration versus comment sentiments. As you can see, first is very scattering and we can't decide the correlations between comment and title, but in second, likes versus comment, it is just concise to a single particular place, which is like count below 20,000, and only of CNN the like count was above 100,000. And for comment section also it was a little scattered, but we can see the positive and negative comment sentiments, and 1 2 3 scattering data also. Now let me explain each graph. First one was title sentiment versus comment sentiment. The aim of this was to see if positive video title received positive comments. I plotted the title sentiment on x-axis while comment sentiment on y-axis. Now let's see the observation part. This is slight positive correlation, but it is not very strong. As you can see, the plot is very scattered. Some neutral positive title also received negative comments. You can see here in this area, indicating that context also influence audience reaction. Next was the like versus comment sentiment. Here I plotted like count on x-axis while comment sentiment on y-axis. The observation of this graph was that some highly liked counts, like you can see here, which is above 10,000 like count, it still received negative comment sentiment. So by seeing this, we can say that like count does not depend on comment sentiments. And next was the duration versus comment sentiment, where on x-axis I have plotted duration in seconds, while on y-axis I have plotted comment sentiment. You can see this graph is also scattered, but you can see as the duration is high of this CNN video, but it still received negative comment. And this video of BBC News have duration of above 3000 seconds, but it received positive comments. So we can't judge a video durations with its comment sentiment. Like, duration is not only the key to judge comment sentiment part. So this was our analysis of this part. Now I'll show you my next part. Now here the question requirements has been completed, but I have done this part extra, which depicts the monthly sentiment distribution graph. Here on the x-axis I have shown the month, and here on the y-axis number of comments. The three corresponding lines depict to green color depicts to positive, orange to neutral, and blue to negative comments. As you can see, the positive comment has the highest number of comments, like the positive sentiment has the highest number of comments, now then the neutral one, and then the negative one. And you can see the trends over time. Some months see spikes in positive comments while other have negative reactions, but mostly we can see is the positive sentiment graph, and it also has the highest number of comments. Overall, the visualization provides a clear view of how audience sentiments evolve over time, which helps us for understanding engagement patterns and the impact of video contents or viewers. Now after this, I have done this part which contains the monthly sentiment trends broken down by channel wise. This is for BBC, this is for CNN, this is for Fox News, and this is for MSNBC. Each line chart represents a single channel, as you can see, with the x-axis showing the time, months, and y-axis showing the number of comments. Three lines represent positive. Positive is for green, neutral is for orange, and negative is for blue, and markers highlighting monthly data points. As you can see, for BBC, the highest comment gained by a neutral sentiment video, and for CNN also it's for neutral one, but for Fox News, for neutral and positive comments it is equal, and for MSNBC it is highest for the positive comment, and neutral also is much closer. As you can see, in all trends like positive and neutral are not, does not have much gap of sentiments. By plotting sentiments separately for each channel, we can see that audience reaction across every channel. We can plot for different channels also like this. Like, some channels have positive comments while some has mixed negative sentiments also. These plots provide valuable insights into how different audience respond to content over time, highlighting trends that may be tied or specify videos or trends Overall, the visualization help us understand channel specific engagement pattern. Like we can see people engagement over each channel over time, and we can explore for any video or any channel the same thing, and the sentiments also we can see of the people engagement. These was my observations, and I have done this part to check about different sentiments. Thank you. This is my submission for HD task.